Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today we're tackling food labels, the marketing tricks, the hidden truths, and how to read them right. Ever grabbed a low-fat or sugar-free snack thinking it's healthy? That's exactly what food companies want. The front of the package is all marketing. Buzzwords designed to make you feel good. The real information? It's on the back, in the nutrition facts and ingredients. We'll break down the jargon, expose the traps, and teach you how to make smart choices. Let's get started and become fluent in the language of food labels. Chapter 1. The Serving Size Scam. Let's start by uncovering one of the biggest tricks in the food industry, the serving size scam. It's a sneaky way that food companies can make their products appear healthier than they actually are. You see 150 calories on a bag of chips and think, not bad, I can work with that. It seems like a reasonable indulgence. But here's the catch. That calorie count is per serving, not per bag. This is where the deception begins. Let's be honest, most people eat the whole package in one sitting, not just a carefully measured single serving. It's easy to lose track when you're enjoying your snack. Food companies are well aware of this, and they often keep serving sizes artificially tiny to make their products look healthier and more appealing to health-conscious consumers. Take, for example, a standard 20-ounce soda. The nutrition label often lists 2.5 servings per bottle. If you drink the whole thing, which most people do, you're actually getting 2.5 times the calories and sugar advertised on the label. So that 100 calorie drink, it's actually 250 calories and a whopping over 60 grams of sugar if you finish the entire bottle. It's the same story with chips. A single serving might be just 12 chips, but let's be real, who actually stops there? That seemingly innocent 160 calorie snack can quickly balloon into a hefty 800 calories if you mindlessly munch your way through the whole bag. This isn't an accidental oversight or a simple mistake, it's a deliberate marketing strategy designed to mislead consumers. So, what can you do to protect yourself? Your first crucial step is to always check the servings per container and the serving size information before you pay attention to anything else on the label. Then ask yourself a simple but important question. How much of this product will I actually eat or drink in one sitting? If you know you're going to consume the whole thing, multiply all the key numbers, calories, fat, sugar, sodium, by the total number of servings in the package. It only takes a few seconds to do the math, but it reveals the real nutritional impact of what you're about to consume. Don't let those deceptively tiny serving sizes fool you into thinking you're making a healthy choice. Always do the math to account for what you'll actually eat. Developing this habit of checking and calculating is your first and most important line of defense against misleading food labels. So, check those serving sizes, do the math, and see past the clever marketing tactics. That's the foundation for making smarter, more informed food choices that support your health goals. Chapter 2. Zero sugar doesn't mean healthy. Next up, zero sugar doesn't mean healthy. Sugar-free snacks sound great, but what's replacing the sugar? Usually it's sugar alcohols like xylitol, sorbitol, or artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose. These can cause digestive issues, think bloating, gas, or worse, especially in large amounts. And the long-term effects? Still debated. Some studies suggest they may affect your gut health, or even your cravings. Sugar-free doesn't mean calorie-free or carb-free either. A sugar-free cookie still has flour, fat, and calories. Don't assume you can eat unlimited amounts. Always flip the package and check the ingredients for sugar substitutes. Look for words ending in "ol" or names like aspartame and sucralose. Know how your body reacts to these. Zero sugar is just a marketing term. Read the ingredients to know what you're really eating. Make choices based on facts, not just claims. Chapter 3. All natural and other meaningless words. Let's talk about buzzwords. These are the words that jump out at you from the packaging, promising health and wellness. But how much of it is true? How much of it is just clever marketing? All natural, organic, gluten-free. These words create a health halo, that warm, fuzzy feeling that makes you think you're making a healthy choice. But often these terms mean very little about the actual nutritional value of what you're eating. Natural isn't regulated, meaning that even something like high fructose corn syrup, a highly processed sweetener, can be labeled natural. It's quite misleading, isn't it? Organic means no synthetic pesticides, which is definitely a plus. But remember, Organic cookies are still cookies. They're still full of sugar and fat, even if those ingredients are organically sourced. Gluten-free is absolutely essential for some, for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. But for most of us, it's just clever marketing. A gluten-free brownie is still a brownie, often packed with just as much sugar and calories as its gluten-containing counterpart. So, ignore the front of the package. Think of it as a billboard, designed to grab your attention, not to give you the full story. The real story, the honest truth, is on the back, in the nutrition facts and the list of ingredients. That all-natural granola bar you're eyeing, it might very well have more sugar than a candy bar, despite its healthy-sounding label. And those organic snacks, they can be just as heavily processed as their regular counterparts. Don't let these buzzwords lull you into a false sense of security. They're designed to make you feel good about your purchase, even if the product isn't as healthy as you think. Flip the box over, take a close look, read the ingredients carefully, and check those nutrition facts. Look for fiber, protein, and real recognizable nutrients, not just fancy labels and empty promises. Make your decisions based on data, on facts, not on marketing hype. Don't fall for the health halo effect. Your power as a consumer lies in reading past the buzzwords, in understanding what you're actually putting into your body. The truth is always on the back of the package. That's how you take control, how you make informed choices, and how you protect yourself from misleading marketing tactics. Chapter 4. Hidden Sugars by Many Names. Now let's uncover hidden sugars. It's time to become savvy label readers and understand what's really in our food. Food companies use dozens of names for sugar, often employing clever tactics to mask the true sugar content, to disguise how much is really inside. This makes it challenging for consumers to make informed decisions about their diet. Ingredients are listed by weight, from the most abundant to the least. So splitting sugar into cane juice, corn syrup, honey, etc. pushes each one down the list, making it seem like there's less sugar overall. But add them up, and the sugar content is huge. It's a sneaky way to sweeten products without alarming consumers. Watch for anything ending in OAs, like glucose, fructose, syrups, nectars, and even healthy sweeteners like honey or agave. Remember, these are still forms of sugar. Check the first 3 to 5 ingredients. If most are sugars, it's a red flag. This indicates a heavily processed food with limited nutritional value. Granola bars and cereals are common offenders. Multiple sweeteners, little real nutrition. Don't be fooled by health claims on the packaging. Your body doesn't care if it's honey or high fructose corn syrup. Sugar is sugar. It all impacts your blood sugar levels and overall health. Too much leads to weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. It's crucial to be mindful of your sugar intake. Don't just look for sugar, scan for all its aliases. Become familiar with the many disguises of sugar. Use the top 5 ingredients rule to spot high sugar foods fast. This simple trick can save you time and improve your food choices. Be a sugar detective. Look for syrups, OS endings, and sweeteners. Unmask the hidden sugars in your diet. Make choices that match your health goals, not the food marketer's goals. Don't let clever marketing sway your decisions. Spotting hidden sugars gives you real control over what you eat and how you feel. Chapter 5. Misleading calorie counts. Finally, let's talk calories. We treat calorie counts as fact, but labels can legally be off by up to 20%. That 100 calorie snack could actually be 120 calories. Over time, those hidden calories add up. Calorie counts are estimates, not exact science. Processing, fiber, and ingredients all affect how many calories you actually absorb. Don't obsess over hitting an exact number. Instead, focus on the quality of your calories. Look for fiber, protein, and healthy fats, not just the calorie number. A 200 calorie snack of almonds is very different from 200 calories of crackers. Use calories as a guideline, but prioritize nutrition. Don't let a single number dictate your choices. Nourishment matters more than numbers. You've learned the tricks: serving sizes, sugar myths, buzzwords, hidden sugars, and calorie games. Food labels are marketing tools, not nutrition guides. Now you know where to find the truth, on the back, in the facts and ingredients. Ignore the hype, check the serving size, spot hidden sugars, and focus on real nutrition. You have the power to make informed choices for your health. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more smart nutrition tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.